Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we will continue with the last part of question paper discussion. So we were discussing MSc Zoology Entrance test of Rajasthan University. Earlier 75th question were discussed and now the question number 76 is Tal Chapar Sanctuary is famous for. The answer here is black bug. And this sanctuary इज इन राजस्थान. ये कहाँ है? ये राजस्थान में है और ये इट इज फेमस फॉर ब्लैक बग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन मैरीन हैबिटेट द मैक्सिमम deepest zone is called as. The maximum deepest zone, which is typically 6,000 meter in oceanic trenches, and it is called Hadal zone. Next question, the duration of one cardiac cycle in normal man is. The answer is 0.8 second. 0.8 second. Next question, a semi-conservative replication of DNA proved by Michelson and Stahl using isotopes. The answer here is nitrogen 14 and carbon 14 isotopes. They were used to demonstrate semi-conservative replication of DNA. Next question, which of the following are used to select genes of interest from a genomic library? So all of the above. Cloning vectors are used, DNA probes as well as restriction enzyme are used to select the genes. Next question, which of the following condition may cause erythroblastosis fetalis? When mother is Rh negative and fetus is Rh positive, then there will be Rh incompatibility. Next question, during conduction of an impulse, electric charge on side of exolemma changes from. The answer here is C. That is positive to negative and remains negative. When an exolemma or axon membrane undergoes action potential, first there is depolarization. As sodium, due to sodium influx in, and then it remains negative as potassium goes out. Next question, the formula to calculate degree of freedom in two sample by t-test is degree of freedom is equal to n1 plus n2 minus 2. Sorry, the answer is 3. Answer is C option. Next question, the resolving power of a compound light microscope will be maximum if the illuminating light is blue. Because it has shorter wavelength than green, red or yellow. Next question, black foot disease is caused by pollution in drinking water by arsenic. Next, petromyzone shows. The answer here is anadromous migration. It means the fish migrates from sea to fresh water for spawning. Next question, which of the following is not correctly paired? The answer here is Altman and Shesh. They were associated with ribozymes and not restriction enzymes. Next question, hybridoma is a technique which involves. The answer here is spleen cells with myeloma cells to produce antibodies, monoclonal antibodies. Next question, dorsal tubercle is of Hardmania is. The answer here is tangoreceptor, olfactory receptor. Next, in Scypha, spongocele is lined by. The spongocele is lined by these cells, choanocytes. Next question, two gases making highest relative contribution to the greenhouse gases are. The answer here is carbon dioxide and methane. Okay. Next question, evolution of different species in a given area starting from a point and spreading to other geographical area is known as. The answer here is adaptive radiation. The answer here is adaptive radiation. Next question. The larval stages of Fasciola hepatica, which infect its intermediate and primary host respectively, are called. The answer here is Miracidium and Metacercaria. Next question. Gonorrhea is a disease caused by bacteria of genus. The answer here is Treponema. Neisseria gonorrhea. Next question. Immunity acquired after an infection is. The answer here is natural active immunity. Next question. Chain of rod-shaped bacteria is called. The answer here is Streptobacillus. Next question. Which one of the following is correctly matched? The answer here is Echinodermata, which include Asterias, Aphrodite, and Antedon. Okay. Next question. Which of the following has highest pH? The answer here is human blood, which have pH about 7.4. Next question. Which one of the following enzymes facilitates opening of DNA helix during transcription in E. coli? The answer here is DNA helicase, which unwinds the DNA double helix during transcription. Next question. Sarcomere is the structural and functional unit of myofibrils in striated muscles, which consist of complete I band in the middle with halves of two A bands on its side. This is I band and these are A band. These constitute together sarcomere, which is functional unit of muscles. So I hope these 100 questions are clear to you.